Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter. I'm making this video today as a kind of a response to Black Autumn of Ready Man. I told him I'd make it, about a week ago. I told him I'd make it, and anyway, today's video is about non-lethal rounds that you can make at home, and some of the things I've learned and doing. And I'll take you out to the range and we'll test some of these. The reason I didn't make this video earlier is because it takes about a week for your silicone to set up. So yeah, with everything going on, the pandemic, the riots, I think riots drive most of the fear here in America right now. But it's getting worse. It's going to get worse when Trump gets reelected. And but anyway. So, and it's like the guy from Black Scout Survival said, we're not in a shooting civil war yet. There is still law and order, and you can, be charged with if you shoot somebody and kill them. Right now you can still be charged. So you may want to look at some less than lethal means to defend yourself. And I'm actually working on some other things right now. I've got an actual box of rubber buckshots supposed to be coming, but today I'm going to do a few things that make some less than lethal rounds. This first one will make my what I like to call I guess silicone slug. And all you're going to do is take your utility knife, cut off the top of your crimp. So you're just going to cut off the top of your crimp, and you're going to pour out your lead shot. You're going to leave, so you still got the wad and everything down there. Then you're just simply going to fill it up. If you got the caulking gun, which I got a caulking gun, this will be your better value than this. I bought one of each, but so, and hope this ain't. I'm gonna stick it down in there. Squeeze. This tube's getting a little low. So I made 10 of these already. There you have it. That's simply all you do right there. You're going to fill that thing up full of silicone and let it cure for about a week. I wish I still had, I had a chronograph. I took it back to the guy that owned it. But I wish we could shoot these over a chrono to see exactly how fast they're going. And we're going to make another round and see how it works at the range today. It's going to require a screwdriver. I used to have a load all. It'd be better if you had a load all to push this crimp back down. But back in the olden days, I don't know if you ever heard of people using rock salt or even popcorn. My daddy and his grandpa, they used to make less than lethal rounds, shotgun rounds out of popcorn. We're gonna pop this open. Now these ain't gonna feed. These may not feed real good unless you're actually using the crimping press. I just figured it'd be better to be able to shut this back down. Okay, so we got that open. Whoa, wrong screwdriver. Alright, so the shell's open. We're going to use some airsoft pellets. There's nothing soft about airsoft pellets. These things hurt. I ain't real sure of the caliber of these things. or where they would what size bucket would be. I'll measure one right here in just a second. I say this will make a fairly effective round, non-lethal. Might put out one too. I'm just gonna shut that back down. Probably work. May have to work these in. I mean, it's just plastic, but I used to have a lately press that did the crimp, but kind of push back. So before you do something like this, gonna want to, if you're using a pump shotgun, you're gonna want to cycle these to make sure they are going to cycle and work right. If you ain't using like a lead load all to crimp this back down or something like that. And this, like I say, you're gonna have to let this cure for about a week. But so I'm gonna make a few more of these right here. We're gonna run out to the range and try them out. But this is my solution to do it yourself, less than lethal rounds. All right, so next we'll take you up to the range. All right, tubers, we're back. The range is full, so I'm gonna make this video in my mom's backyard. Our test vehicle today is gonna be a Mossberg 500, and we'll start off. I got a couple of different targets. That lower cardboard box has got extra cardboard in it to try to do some capturing. And then I got a styrofoam. It's like a disposable cooler. I mean, it's for like insulin that comes in. Then I got a white milk jug full of water. See if we can get any penetration. And I got just a regular cardboard target right there. That's our Antifa guy. So we want to see what kind of penetration we get on him, and then we'll move down and try to capture. And so we will start off with the silicone slugs. Put a few in. Let's see. Stuck. We'll try to shoot each target and then check damage before we go on to using the airsoft buckshot. I think I'm full. Maybe. All right, we'll go for the Antifa, remember. You probably shouldn't shoot either non-lethal toward the head, but I'm going toward the head because there ain't so many holes in the head. All right, we're going to shoot the cardboard box underneath. Styrofoam box. All right, I don't think it phased the milk jug. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, let's shoot the milk jug one more time. See what happens. Oh, it did. It took a side out of the milk jug. This actually failed to catch it in that box. There's extra cardboard in there. I don't even see the shot. I hit it right there. It went all the way through the styrofoam. I'm not sure if the first shot hit the jug, but the second one did take a corner out. So the silicone, it may or may not be deadly. Use at your own discretion, but it's definitely powerful. I may put something, check inside that cardboard box, and we might try the cardboard box again because I really want to catch one. So, hang on just a second. I still haven't found a silicone slug, but I'm gonna pump one or two more in that box and see if by some accident we catch one, or I can find one later. But I might try back up, I don't know. Let's shoot that milk jug again too. Alright, silicone slug definitely hit the milk jug. Probably should have aimed lower. Try a couple more down low, see if we can catch it one. I don't know. May bounce one up and see if we can hit it. Something. Alright, I'm gonna try to bounce one. I'm gonna try to bounce one off the ground, see if we can catch it in that box. Well, I see the wadding. Alright. Alright, I don't know if I caught one or not, but let's go check. Bounce. Alright. So here are silicone slugs that just like squeeze them together and stuff. I actually caught one inside the boxes that time. Found 3 of them. I think one of them hit the milk jug. I found a wadding inside the capture box. So are these would I use these for non-lethal? Definitely. I don't. This ain't. I mean, it's soft. It's not. It shouldn't kill nobody. I'd like to try these on somebody sometime, or let them try them on me, but it just be about like using rubber, I'd say. Okay. Let me put this capture box back, and we'll shoot the airsoft pellets. I expect them to over penetrate too. So I made 4 of these airsoft buckshot pellets. I had to probably, if you could probably, I ain't never tried it, but if you could drill a hole in one of these, the smaller you make this hole to let the lead out and to put the airsoft pellets in, the better this is going to work without a lead loader. All right, here we go. Didn't make as much noise as the Slugs. We'll have to check a penetration. Take you down range. All right. I can see one right here. I don't know if you can see my finger. There's one right here that got caught in the box. Right here's the one at the bottom that came through. It looks like only maybe one came all the way through. There's several in here that got caught. Some of them broke apart. Right here's one that got caught in the back. Well, it's hard to see all this, but anyway. Here's the regular cardboard. You can see some of the pellet hits. Let's see if they come out the back. Yeah, they come out the back. So there's a couple of do-it-yourself, not less than lethal shotgun loads. This is the SHTF Hunter. I'm out.